Hello there and welcome to week 4 of the 30-day Green Smoothie Challenge. And it's our goal to help you fall in love with a daily green smoothie so that you can experience more energy, less weight, and get glowing skin, all with the power of plants. So for week 4, we have kind of upped the game a little bit. So last week we brought in kale and taught you how to blend with kale. This week I'm gonna teach you how to blend with carrots. We have ginger, and also avocado. Avocado is a great healthy fat. It'll make your smoothie even creamier. It also has a lot of vitamin E, which is great for your skin. And the healthy fats will help keep you full longer. So if you are still feeling hungry after you've had a green smoothie, try increasing the amount of healthy fats and protein that's in your recipes to benefit and feel more full. Or after you make your smoothie, which is more often what I do, I like to have a handful of nuts. So then I can still enjoy the smoothie the way I like it, but I'm getting that protein and healthy fat afterwards to stay full. All right, I wanna show you a couple tricks with these ingredients so you can learn how to use them correctly. With the ginger, the recipe calls for 1/4 inch. So to measure that, you can do it many different ways. But what I like to do is cut off a piece and then use the back of a spoon to peel it's like tissue paper skin on the ginger. So you can kind of peel it off so that you're not getting that in your smoothie, and I'm just dropping it all over the place, but that's okay. I can clean it up later. And it's super juicy. And then what you can do is you can finely mince it and put it into even a teaspoon size amount, which is about 1/4 inch, or you can just eyeball it, which is also a great way to do it. So this is about 1/4 inch right here. Depending on how much you like ginger, you can add more, you can add less. But the beauty of ginger is it's anti-inflammatory. So it's gonna help with bloating, it's gonna help with digestive issues. It's gonna be really good, and it also adds a whole new flavor to your smoothie so you can get more adventurous and change it up that way. When you're using carrots, if you have a high-speed blender like a Vitamix right here, you can just literally put the carrots in raw like this and it will pulverize it and come out super creamy. But when I started blending green smoothies, I didn't have a high-speed blender like this. So what I would do is I would chop up my carrots just into 1 to 2 inch pieces, nothing fancy, and you lightly steam them so that it softens them. So you can do that on the stovetop. If you microwave, you can do it that way. But if you soften them, you could even roast them. That will break them down so they're less starchy, they're easier on your blender, and it comes out really creamy. That's a way to make those work. Avocado. I love avocados. They can be a little expensive, so I like to get every piece of this avocado out of it to use that I can. So I'm gonna show you how I do that. When I do an avocado, I cut it in half. This one is super ripe. Let's see how this works. And then I cut it into quarters. So obviously I don't really like to eat them when they're this ripe, but they're fine to blend because it's going in a blender and the flavor and the benefits are still in there. So what you do is you peel back the side of it and you can get most of it that way. And then to get the rest, you can use a spoon. But this avocado was almost too ripe. Let's see if this one works better. So you can see how this works. Okay, here we go. This one is not, not so brown. Okay, so when you have it like this in your quarter, just peel it back and watch how easily the skin separates from the fruit or the meat. And there you go. Pop that in your smoothie. It makes it creamy, vitamin E, all these great things that you are adding to your body right here. I mean, pretty much we have a rainbow of ingredients and it's all fresh. Imagine how great you're gonna feel this week, you guys. So yeah, we also have the coconut water, almond milk, everything else we've talked about. By this point, you know what you're doing. And I don't know if you've caught on yet, but we have a formula that we're following, which is why every recipe tastes so delicious. So what we do is we do 40% leafy greens with 60% fruit. And that is so the fruit overpowers any leafy green taste and makes it taste good too. So for me, healthy eating has to taste good for me to stay with it. And that's why I've been doing green smoothies for seven and a half years now, is because they taste good and it's allowed me to not only keep my size as I'm getting older, but also do more incredible things in the world. Like I did a 100K trail run last year. I ran the entire Grand Canyon, 47 miles in a day and a half. and I did a motorcycle adventure race in Morocco. So green smoothies allowed me to do all that. They gave me the energy, they gave me the body to do that. And I want that for you too, whatever that looks like. So keep on blending, keep it up, do the best you can, and we are gonna rock week 4 together. All right, bye.